Hey, young scholars, Mr. Moran here to give you a quick overview about for Friday social studies assignment. First off, we're coming to the end of the Jackson units. You've learned a lot about Andrew Jackson, the War of 1812. And Andrew Jackson became famous because of his leadership as a general and defeating the British in the Battle of New Orleans, and how the British destroyed Washington, D.C., and how Jackson came from being an orphan, basically penniless, and he was able to work very hard and become a wealthy individual later on. And then he ran for president in 1824, and he lost, and then he runs again in 1828. And we're going to learn about the election of 1828 today. So that brings us up to our assignment today. And so go to the modules here and you can see our assignments. Hold on. Hey, young scholars, Mr. Moran here to give you the overview for Friday's assignment. And as we're starting this assignment on Friday, this is also the last of the Age of Jackson unit. Yay! So through this unit, you've learned a lot about Andrew Jackson. You learned a lot about the War of 1812, because the War of 1812 makes Jackson a national hero. He defeats the British in the Battle of New Orleans, and then and also during the War of 1812, he battles the Native Americans, and he also becomes famous because of that. But ultimately, it was because the Battle of New Orleans made him famous. Also, during the War of 1812, the British destroyed Washington, D.C. And then from there, in 1824, Jackson runs for president, and he loses to John Quincy Adams. But Jackson is angry about the loss because ultimately no one wins electoral majority, and so it is the House of Representatives that must decide who will become the next president of the United States. And ultimately in 1824, because of what Jackson considers a corrupt bargain between John Quincy Adams and Henry Clay, the House of Representatives votes for John Quincy Adams to become president. And then that brings us up to the election of 1828, which we're going to learn about today. And then today we're also going to learn about the Trail of Tears and the Indian Removal Act. And so that moves us over to the modules. I'll show you about today's assignment. So you'll find everything down here. The overview, which is what we're doing. The election of 1828 is a short video I created, and afterwards you will take the quiz. But the election of 1828 is very interesting, and the big thing that you need to understand about the election of 1828 is it's a very dirty and personal campaign, and it marks the beginning of what we consider modern campaigning. And then after that, you have a Trail of Tears assignment, which we located right here. This is about a 28-minute video, and as you're watching the video, there's a video guide you need to complete. And so I would recommend that you split your screens and you have the video going in one half and the video guide on the other half. And so as the video is playing through, you can complete the video guide and then turn that in when you're done. And then there's also a short Indian Removal Act map activity that you can find right here. And there's some questions associated with that. And this gives you a visual about all the Native Americans from the southern part of the United States that are forced into what they call Indian territory at this time. Later on, this becomes the state of Oklahoma. But as you can see, it's just not in the southern part of the United States, but you can see Indians in the north, Native Americans in the north, that are also moved to Indian territory. So that's the lowdown for this assignment. Oh, one more thing too. Don't forget, you have a quiz coming up next week, And please complete that study guide, because that study guide will help you for the test. In fact, when you complete that study guide, you feel pretty comfortable, guaranteed you'll do fine on the quiz. So you'll find the quiz or the study guide from the other day, and then fill it out, and then quiz next week. All right. See you later, Wildcats. Have a great day.